Legal defense in cases of international arms trafficking, ILA. If you are accused of international trafficking of arms or of having violated international barriers and are at risk of extradition, asset confiscation, and international sanctions, you are in the right place. The ILA law firm is the leader in defending individuals and no companies involved in proceedings for illegal arms, trade, supply, and military equipment, and violation of international sanctions. What are the most frequent charges? Illegal arms trafficking, sale and transport of war weapons, assault rifles, explosives, and military drones without authorization, violation of international embargoes, trade of armaments to countries subject to sanctions, UN, DOA, EU, OFAC, Cuba, Iran, Russia, North Korea, supply of military equipment to unauthorized entities, involvement in illegal export and military technology crimes, conspiracy with international criminal gangs, connections with South American, Asian, and European mafia networks for arms trafficking, illegal financing of armed groups and terrorism, sale of armaments to paramilitary or radical organizations, use of shell companies, intermediation with front companies to evade customs controls, and international sanctions. Therefore, the consequences are extremely serious. Arrest and extradition to the involved countries, immediate seizure of bank accounts, assets, and corporate holdings, criminal proceedings with sentences of up to 20 years in prison. How to defend the A? Immediate legal intervention in case of investigations, seizures, and searches. Strategies to counter accusations with legal intelligence and forensic analysis. Defense of extradition proceedings in trials for international embargo. Protection for companies involved in disputed exports. Coordination with international law experts to block confiscations and sanctions. ILA has a global defense network with offices in the USA, Washington, New York, Miami, defense of OFAC proceedings and arms trafficking. Brussels, London, Switzerland disputes over European sanctions. In the Middle East, in Russia, Hong Kong, Singapore, and in Africa. Protection for clients involved in international operations. So if you are under investigation for arms trafficking or face extradition risks, act immediately. Contact the ILA firm today for a defense strategy that is discreet and effective. Also, subscribe to our channel for updates on international law and economic sanctions.